during the height or depth, however you want to refer to it, of the steroid era, there were a lot of long-term contracts given to players who would be past their mid-30s, even into their late 30s, early 40s by the time those contracts ended. You're seeing fewer and fewer of those contracts now, or those contracts have clauses where the team can opt out at a certain point, because absent steroids and also absent amphetamines, which have also been banned, it's harder and harder for a 37, 38, 39-year-old guy to put up the kind of numbers that he's getting under this long-term contract that he put up in the first place to help him get that contract. So I think it's just a matter of teams having a different philosophy and a different awareness of where the value lies. You're seeing fewer contracts of 7, 8, 9 years for players. But are players still handsomely compensated? Yeah, and that's not going to stop. The revenues in sports are high enough that the players should share in it significantly, and they do.